Welcome to Omron's DX100 tutorial series. My name is Rajitha Dissanayake and I am an applications engineer at Omron. Today we will be walking through how to set up the web UI interface and how to enable the USB port on the DX100. Let's get started. The default IP of the DX100 controller is 192.168.250.100. This will open up the web UI login window for the DX100 controller. Enter DFC admin as the ID and Omron as the password. DFC should be uppercase, Omron should be all lowercase. Then click Login. This will open up the Dataflow Controller initial setup window. In the activation code section, enter 0010. Then enter a strong password in the update initial password section. In the system time settings section, select the correct time zone that you're in. Then select date and time. To select date and time, you can do it manually by entering each field manually, or you can click Get Current Time, where the DX100 will get the user computer's current time and date. Then click the checkbox which says Agree to the terms of use and start using. Then click the Save button. This will open up the interface list on the web UI of the DX100. As you can see, we do have two Ethernet ports. The first port is identified with 192.168.250.100 and the second port is identified with 192.168.251.100. After the initial setup is completed, you will notice that the DX100 controller is in the setup mode. This is indicated by the setup indicator right next to the interface list. When the DX100 controller is in the setup mode, the SpeedB Synapse application is not executing. We can verify this by typing in the IP address of the DX100 controller followed by a :8120, and as you can see, the SpeedB application is not running. To change the DX100 to the operating mode, go to the web UI, select the operating mode from the drop down right next to the administrator, and this will change the DX100 to the operating mode. This is verified by the operating indicator right next to the interface list. Then go to the SpeedB Synapse URL and refresh it. This will open up the SpeedB Synapse application. The initial login window might have the Japanese language in it. Go to Settings and change the language to English. Then type in admin as the login ID and also admin as the password. Then click Login and this will open up the SpeedB Synapse application. After you log in to the web UI, click on USB port management, and here you will notice that the USB port is currently disabled. In order for you to enable this, first you have to go into the setup mode, and after you have entered into the setup mode, click on the port status for the USB and it will open up a confirmation window. Click OK and then it will restart the DX100 controller. When the controller is restarted, it will give you a message stating that the system has been restarted. Please log in again. We'll click OK and we'll use the same login. and click OK and log in. Now you will notice that your storage device is listed in the monitoring section.